everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Max Life Insurance account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in Max Life Insurance Login. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the next page where all of your search results are displayed. Click on the first link in order to reach to your customer service login portal. Now, right in the sign in area, you'll need to type in your mobile number or your policy number. Type it in, correct, and head over to the next field, type in your registered date of birth. You can also log in using your email address instead of mobile number or policy number. To do so, click on login using email and type in your email address. After you're done typing in your information, click on send OTP. You'll receive an OTP on your mobile number, and on the next page, simply type in the OTP number and you'll be able to log into your account. With the Max Life Insurance account, you'll be able to manage your policies anytime, anywhere with your mobile device or your desktop. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.